Frank Johnson Recreation Center, and this is another episode of Cooking with Kids. Today we're going to be making a fun, easy, and healthy dipping sauce for your fruit and vegetables. Yes, kids, vegetables. So before we get started, as you all know, we need to sanitize our area and wash our hands. And because we also have fruit today, we'll need to wash our fruit thoroughly in warm to hot temperatured water. And parents, because we would be using high temperatured water, please assist. So what you'll need is some type of butter spread, like peanut butter, almond butter, or even Nutella. You'll need some honey and any type of flavored yogurt of your choice. I'm using vanilla because I feel like it tastes so good with peanut butter. And any type of fruit or vegetables. I like celery with this dip as well as green apples. You'll also need a medium bowl with the top just in case you make more than you want to eat at that specific time. You'll need a spoon, regular tablespoon, and also if you have a large container of yogurt, I suggest getting a half cup, as well as a knife. Parents, you're in charge of the knife. So we're gonna start with our yogurt. This yogurt is vanilla, plain vanilla, or you can even use Greek yogurt if you wanna get even more fancy and healthy. I'm just gonna pour the entire cup, but it's gonna make a lot of the dip. Then I'm gonna go rinse off my spoon because I don't wanna mix the yogurt with the peanut butter. So I got a big chunk. I used the spoon to kind of measure out how much, but I also got a little extra because I want mine to be a little bit more peanut butter and a little more thick. A tablespoon will do. Now we're gonna use the honey. We're just gonna cover it lightly. And I'll show you how light. Can you see it? What we're gonna do now is mix. Keep mixing until that peanut butter and that yogurt are smooth. It's gonna make a light brown butterscotch color, and it smells so good. And we're going to cut our apple. Parents, help. And now, we're gonna see what we've created. We're gonna try it. No double dipping if you're sharing with other people. You can eat the dip right there, or you can place it in the refrigerator to give it a little more thickness. We're gonna bag our apples and put them in the refrigerator as well for a snack later on. So there you have it, folks. A quick and fun, healthy dipping sauce for fruits and veggies. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are gonna definitely have another fun, easy recipe next week on Wednesday at 11 a.m. Again, my name is Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, where we are family. And if you have any suggestions or any tips to make this even more fun or even more exciting, if you want to try harder recipes, definitely let me know. And we will see you all again next week. Bye.